Welcome to our complete SEO training and SEO for WordPress websites, Udemy's best-selling and the most 5-star rated SEO course. I am Arun. I have been practicing and teaching SEO since the past decade to over 100,000 satisfied and successful students. I am so excited that I now have the privilege of being your instructor for this course. It doesn't matter even if you have never done SEO on your site before, because each and every lecture on this course is prepared and polished with hands-on SEO tutorials that produce results. So you can follow along easily. Even if you have previous experiences with SEO but fail to achieve the top ranks on Google, don't worry. You will learn and implement the most effective 50+ SEO factors that work, along with 25+ online SEO tools to reach the top spot on Google search. You don't need to waste your time and effort on ineffective SEO techniques or risk losing your ranking and money on inauthentic SEO agencies, as the entire curriculum is based on an SEO research compiled from the top 30 search engine result pages of 10,000 keywords. You will be learning only those white hat SEO techniques that work now and in the future. By the end of this course, you will be an expert in SEO and have a search engine optimized website all set to reach the top spot on Google search. You can either kickstart your SEO agency career or tap into the flood of traffic from Google and take your business to the next level. The path to my SEO expertise wasn't easy or without hurdles, so I understand the struggles you could have faced so far. It doesn't need to be that way anymore. That's why I have designed and updated this curriculum several times, not only incorporating the latest SEO updates, but also fine-tune the learning curve based on the issues our students face and their feedback on our course. But don't just take my word for it. Check out what my students had to say. As a student of this course, you have lifetime access to all the videos and resources in this course. Once you complete this course, you will be certified too, which adds a significant value to your resume. So, what are you still waiting for? Join me on the next lesson and let's get started.